Dear students, in today's class, chapter 6, the junk seller. In the same chapter, in previous classes, we learned about the multiplication and some more word problems. How to find out total value, total cost, like that. In the continuation of the same part, today in this class we have the some word problems. See, it is word problem. It's a very simple word problem, and all these word problems are here about only junk seller. See, as you know, the junk seller sells the different waste material, different type of the junks, like that. See, a junk seller sells waste paper at the rate of rupees 7.45. How to read this, beta? A junk seller sells the waste paper at the rate of rupees 7.45 per kg. So what is the waste here? What is junk here? It is junk is your waste paper. Junk कौन सा यहाँ पर? Waste paper. A junk seller sells waste paper at the rate of rupees 7.45. जंक सेलर ने क्या किया? जो वेस्ट पेपर है, उसका जो वेस्ट है, जंग है, उसने 7.45 रुपीज से रेट से बेच दिया. हाउ मच मनी विल ही गेट? उसको कितना रुपीज मिलेगा? हाउ मच मनी विल ही गेट इफ ही सेल 160 kg ऑफ वेस्ट पेपर? अगर उसने 160 kg ऑफ वेस्ट पेपर सेल किया, इफ ही सेल, हाउ मच मनी विल ही गेट इफ ही सेल 160 kg ऑफ वेस्ट पेपर? अगर उसने 160 kg ऑफ वेस्ट पेपर सेल किया है, then how much money he will get? तो उसको कितना रुपीज मिलेगा? तो see, as earlier I told you that in one problem, there's some information as given there that we have to find out, and then what we have to find out, answer, whatever answer we have to find out, according to that answer we have to materialize states. हमें जो भी आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है उसके हिसाब से हमें स्टेप्स लिखना होता है. पहले देखिए बेटा, व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन हियर एट द रेट ऑफ 7.45. सी, एट द रेट ऑफ मींस व्हाट बेटा? इट इज रेट फॉर पर केजी. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? सी, पर केजी वी कैन राइट हियर रुपीज 7.45. क्या है? इट इज पर केजी इक्वल टू रुपीज 7.45. सी, पर केजी रुपीज 7.45. देन टोटल केजी कितना देखिए यहां पर? टोटल केजी इट इज 160 केजी. टोटल केजी कितना है? इट इज 160 केजी. टोटल केजी. नाउ टोटल मनी या टोटल अमाउंट. टोटल अमाउंट देखिए कितना होगा उसका. हाउ मच मनी ही विल गेट? ए टोटल मनी इज इक्वल टू. Now what we have to do? Whether we have to multiply, divide, subtract, add here. See, in this question, the rate of 1 kg is given, and with the help of that 1 kg, we have to find out about more kg. And whenever information about 1 is given there, and from that 1, if we have to find out about more, then we have to multiply. तब हमें क्या करना होता है? मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. तो आइए, it is rate 7.45 into 160. देखिए, टोटल मनी इक्वल टू 7.45 into 160 into 160. नाउ सी हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस. अब इस मल्टीप्लाई को कैसे करेंगे बेटा? देखिए, हम साइड में करते हैं यहाँ पर. सी, इट इज 7.45 into 160. इट इज 7.45 into 160. सी, 0, 5 0 0, 5 4 the 4 and 7 4 the 7 0 0. Okay, 5 0 0, 4 0 0 and 7 0 0. Next, see, अभी now we have to multiply by what? Multiply by here second place. So it is second digit. It is in 10 place. So you put here 1 0. It is a 0 of 10 place. You take it for 10, 1 10. It is 0 now. In 10 place already is 1 0 is there. So we have to put the 0 here. And then now see, 6 5 the 30, carry 3. 6 4 the 24 plus 3, it is 27. Then carry 2, and 6 7 the 42 plus 2, it is 44. 44. Now next, multiply by 1 here. 1 is in 100 place. So what we have to do? We have to put 2 0 here. Now 5, it is 4. It is 7. It is 7. Now add this 0, 0, 12. Carry 1. Carry 1. 4 4 8. This is 1 9. 9 and it is It is 11. So what is this beta? Now it is 7.45. So see, there are 2 digits after this decimal point, with this paise. So here in our answer also we have to put the decimal point here. Okay, after 1 digit, 2 digit, and then we have to put here 0, the decimal point. So after decimal point our answer is 1192.00. 1192.00. Now how to read this? बेटा see, ये जो आपका decimal point है, the left of the decimal point, this is rupees, and after decimal right of the decimal की जो right में है, that is पैसे. तो see, it is 1192 rupees 00 paise. So we can write here, he will get rupees 1192.00. क्या हुआ? He will get rupees 1192.00. तो उसे इस तरह आपको क्या मिलेगा? He will get rupees 1192.00. Yes. Next, second question देखिए. A junk seller sell iron at the rate of rupees 23.50 per kg. जंक सेलर ने क्या किया? ए जंक सेलर सेल्स आयरन एट द रेट ऑफ रुपीज 23.50 पर केजी. 1 केजी का रेट है 23.50. हाउ मच मनी विल ही गेट? उसको कितना रुपीज मिलेगा? हाउ मच मनी विल ही गेट इफ ही सेल 240 केजी ऑफ आयरन? अगर उसने 240 केजी ऑफ आयरन सेल किया, उसको कितना रुपीज मिलेगा? आइए, पर केजी इट इज व्हाट? इट इज रुपीज 23.50. पर केजी कितना है? पर केजी इट इज 23.50. देन टोटल केजी इट इज 240. टोटल केजी कितना है? 240. नाउ टोटल मनी क्या होगा? देखिए, 23.50 इंटू 240 क्या होगा? टोटल मनी 23.50 इंटू 240. नाउ सी, नाउ डिवाइड हियर 23.50 इंटू 240. The see, 0, 0, again 0, and again it is 0. Okay, here we multiply by 0, 0, 0. Next, see, it is 40, 4 5 are 20, 0, 4 5 are 20, carry 2, 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, total 8 plus 1, 9. फिर से देखिए, 4 0, 20, carry 2, 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, total 8 plus 1, 9. Now next, see, 0, 10, carry 1, 2 3 are 6, 7, and 2 2 are 4. फिर से देखिए, 0, यहाँ पर 100 प्लेस में इसलिए हमने 2 0 रख लिए बेटा पहले. देन हियर 2 0 0, 2 5 are 10, carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, and 2 2 are 4. Now 0 0 0, it is 4, then 16, 9 plus 7 16, and it is 4 plus 1 5. Again you see, after decimal 2 digits are there, 1 2 this paise 50 paise, so you can put here like that. Yes, तो 5640.00. so देखिए 5640.00. ओके, तो क्या हो यहाँ पर? He will get rupees 5640. He will get rupees 5640. Okay, he will get rupees 5640 after selling 240 kg of iron. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3. देखिए, a junk seller sell plastic. Now in this question In first question, it was jung. What was jung? Jung was your waste paper. In second question, jung was iron, and in third question, it is jung is your plastic. And now, example are the same type of the example are here. Only type of the jung, their weight and their rate are changed. So according to change in rate and weight, we have to calculate total money here. See, a junk seller sells the plastic at the rate of rupees 9.5 per kg. 9.5 per kg. How much money will he get if he sells 170 kg of plastic? How much money will he get if he sells 170 kg of plastic? Same step, beta. See, all of you know. First step is per kg. Rate, it is rupees. So what is the rate of per kg here now? Rupees 9.50. It means 9 rupees 50 paise. It is rupees 9.50 means it is 9 rupees 50 paise. And total weight जो है, total kg कितना देखिए यहाँ पर? It is about how much kg? How many kg it is? 170 kg. Now here we have to find out about 170 kg. Now see, total money. Total money. क्या है total money? See, 9.50 into 170. क्या हुआ? Total money 9.50 into 170 into 170. Next, see 9.50 into 170 into 170. अब देखिए, अब क्या करना है यहां पर? 0 500 900 0 500 900. Next, again 10 plus का 1 put 0 here. 0 7 5 are 35 carry 3 7 5 are 35 carry 3 then 7 9 are 63 plus 3 it is 66. It is what? 66. It is 66. Next, it is 66. Then here decimal point देखिए. It is now multiplied by 100. Then देखिए 10 0 1 5 are 5 and 9 5 are 9 1 are 9. Now again divide here, add here. कैसे करेंगे? It is 0. It is 0, it is 5, it is 5. Now 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1. Now 15 plus 1, it is 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1, it is 16. It is 16. Once again you see 0, 0, it is 5, it is 11, carry 1, 15 plus 1, 16. Now see, it is decimal point after 2 here, after 2 decimal is there, so we can write here. We can put a decimal point. Then what will happen now? It will be 1615. 1615.00. So what we have to write? It is 1615.00. Okay? 0.00. So what we have to write? He said he will get rupees 1615.00. Okay? क्या होगा? He will get rupees 1615.00. He will get rupees 1615.00. Now come to question number. Come to next question now. See, a junk seller sells newspaper at the rate of rupees 13.50 per kg. क्या हुआ? देखिए, a junk seller sells newspaper at the rate of rupees 13.50 per kg. क्या हुआ? जंक सेलर ने पर केजी 13.50 इस रेट से उसने अभी जो प्लास्टिक आपका जो न्यूज़पेपर है दैट इज वेस्ट हियर मींस योर जंक इज हियर न्यूज़पेपर ही सेल दैट 13.50 पर केजी. एक केजी का रेट था 13.50. देन हाउ मच मनी विल ही गेट? उसको कितना रुपीस मिलेगा? How much money will he get if he sells 125 kg of newspaper? Kg of newspaper. So see, it is per kg. कितना है per kg? पर केजी कितना है बेटा? सी पर केजी इट इज रुपीज 13,500. 13,500 per kg it is equal to 13.50. Next, total kg it is 125 kg. Total kg कितना है? It is 125 kg. Now see total money. Total money. अब total money क्या होगा? See 13.50 into 125. Total money क्या होगा? 13.50 into 125. Now multiply here. See it is 13.50 into 125. 125. Now multiply here 125. देखिए 50 0 5 5 are 25. Carry 2 50 0 5 5 are 25. Carry 2 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 2 it is 17. Again carry 1. 15 plus 1 17. 15 plus 2 17. 7 carry 1. 5 1 are 5 plus 1 6. Next multiply by 10 place. 2 0 0 2 5 are 10. Carry 1. To the 6 plus 1 7 and it is 2 1 are 2. Now again here multiply 0 5 3 and it is 1. It is 1. Now see 0 5 7 13 plus 5 is 18. 13 plus 5 is 18 and then you carry 1. It is 5 plus 6 and this is 1. This is 1. Now see क्या हुआ? It is 0 5 7 13 plus 5 18 carry 1 5 plus 6. Now again you put your decimal point like this. So what we have to do? 1687.50. क्या होगा? 1687.50. Now we can write here 0.50 means what he will get. See here we can write he will get rupees 1687.50 means 50 paise. Okay, he will get rupees 1687.50 means 50 paise. So this is rupees and this is paise. So this way today we discuss about the four examples of our this multiplication word problem, how to find out this answer. Okay.